So we've just seen live pictures of President Obama campaigning for Hillary Clinton in Ohio. Now, Moody's says the president's high approval ratings are one of the factors that will put Hillary Clinton into the White House. The Moody's model is predicting that Hillary Clinton will take the key swing states of Florida, Ohio, Colorado, and Pennsylvania. We showed you them earlier in the program. And they've correctly predicted the winner of every presidential contest since 1980. Heather Long is here. Heather, is Moody's suggesting that, upon what basis is the Moody's survey done?
Right. So it's not like a traditional poll of polls
right.
that we keep focusing on at CNN and other outlets. It's an economic model at the end of the day. So they're looking at things like, is gas cheap? How's the middle class incomes doing? How are those home prices in the United States? And as we know, a lot of those economic factors have been getting better and better over the last 2 years. People's pocketbooks are better. Are they great? You can have an argument about that, but they're certainly better off than they were.
Right. And what does the Moody's study or model suggest?
Well, it's very good news if you're in the Hillary Clinton camp. So not only are they forecasting a Hillary Clinton win, they're forecasting a pretty big blowout. They actually go state by state and look at these economic variables, and they're showing 332 electoral votes for Clinton and only 206 for Trump. So that's a pretty big win in the Clinton camp.
But, I mean, for Moody's to be doing this in a highly controversial election, if they are wrong, it's egg on their face. But at the same time, it could become not quite a self-fulfilling prophecy, but it is unusual.
It's a very risky proposition this year, and you're right that they have a big caveat on their report that came out today that says this is a very unusual, interesting, whatever adjective you want to use, year, and that the usual metrics might not apply. However, as you said, they've predicted everyone right since 1980, and not just the winner, but they've actually predicted the vast majority of the states correctly, and not a lot of models can say that.
Now, you're being fickle with me, Ms. Long, because yesterday on this program you had a survey that promised me that Donald Trump was going to win by looking at a 2% fall in the S&P 500 since August.
That's right, Richard. Good point. So we've got two different metrics telling us different things. The stock market, based on that test we looked at yesterday, it's been a 2% drop in the market since August 1st. That points towards a Trump win. But this economic model and the improving economy in the United States, that's a good sign for the Democrats and for Hillary Clinton. Which one comes out on top? We'll know in a week.
You got